Lamp lever positions. HD Apeiron 42 has two LED lamps with dual LED strips, mounted in elliptical reflectors. Each lamp can be set in an up or a down position. The four possible combinations of lamp positions offer different angles of lighting. Depending on the surface of the original and any added 3D effect, various lamp positions can produce different highlight and shadow results. Use the handles to move the lamps up or down. For a result with minimum shadows, move both lamps up. For a result with maximum shadows, move both lamps down. For a result with subtle downward shadows, move the left lamp up and the right lamp down. For a result with subtle upward shadows, move the left lamp down and the right lamp up.